Hi there, my beautiful shining stars. I'm Maya and I'm so excited to have you again here on my channel. We are going to have a blast unboxing of awesome toys together. So, I don't keep you waiting. Let's have some fun. Do you recall unboxing the superhero egg of Vlad Niki? Guess what? We are going to unbox another egg. This is the blue one. I'm so excited and happy. Let's get started. Okay, guys, let's see which one of them are in this superhero surprise egg. Scratch and Reveal comic book, Raging Robot, superhero launcher, race cars, superhero cape and mask, water blaster. Okay, what could be in this bag? Let's figure out. Let's see what's in the next bag. Oh, this is the Scratch and Reveal comic book. Well, you have to scratch and reveal what's below this. Awesome! Oh, nice! What could be in this one? Look at these cute stickers! What could be in this one? Nice! Next one. Awesome! What's in next one? Beautiful! We have all three brothers now. What's in this one? Look at this beautiful race car. I love it. Super fast. What is in this one? Is it as fast as the other one? Wow, it is! Ooh! Oh, nice! This is a backpack! So cute! Wow! Look at this cool bracelet! Oh, nice! Let me give it a try. Now, let's stick these superhero stickers on our superhero surprise egg. That would be so cool. Wow! I love it! How about you guys? Let me know in the comments. Let's count how many surprises we found in the superhero egg of Vlad Niki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We found 22 surprises. Okay guys, until next video, take care of yourselves and don't forget that I love you so much. Bye.